Today I have drawn the corticospinal tract. I will be pausing and playing the video as it goes along. But basically, the corticospinal tract carries movement information from the motor cortex down to the spinal cord. Upper motor neurons form connections with lower motor neurons, carrying movement-related impulses resulting in the muscle contraction. These upper motor neurons descend from the motor cortex to the brainstem and midbrain as cerebral peduncles, which are fiber bundles. It then continues down the medulla where two bundles are formed into pyramids, which are here. Then the bundles decussate, or cross to the other side where they enter the spinal cord. The cross bundles go into the lateral corticospinal tract, which controls movement of more distal muscles like hands. However, some will not cross and still enter the side of the body in which they originated into the anterior corticospinal tract, which controls movement of proximal muscles like the trunk. Then after that, they will only cross when they synapse on a lower motor neuron.